Hello guys, welcome to How to Fix Tech. In this video guys, we are going to backup and restore the sticky notes on our Windows. So let me show you the sticky note first and then we will restore it. Somehow if you are using Windows 10 and 11 version, you can follow these steps. But in the Windows 8 also you can follow these steps, okay? So now you can see I have made some sticky notes. These are the notes for only the purpose of testing. If you are using Windows any other version, you can also follow these steps. If you are going to reset your PC, or if you are going to reinstall your Windows, or if you want to backup the sticky notes for any other reason, you can backup your data. All the sticky notes will be recovered. So how to recover that? These are two notes, sticky notes here. After that I will delete these two notes and then we will restore it, okay? So this is the path you need to navigate. C drive, users, user name, and then app data. So first of all, open the file explorer, click on this PC, then click on C drive, double click on users. You can see on the screen the path. Now you need to double click on the user where you want to restore the sticky notes. So in my case I have logged in with the user. Double click on that. Once you double click on that, before that go to this option, view, and then option, and change folder and search options, and then click on view and tick this option. If it is tick like this, show hidden file and folder, click on this option, click on apply, click on OK. After that you will see the app data folder here. Only once you tick this option, double click on app data. Once you are on this page, you need to double click on local, and after that we can choose the path here. Then look for packages. Here you can see, double click on that. And now you need to navigate to the sticky Microsoft.sticky notes. You scroll it down in a M series and look for S. This option, Microsoft.sticky notes. Double click on this option. Once you double click on that, you need to look for this option which is local state. Double click on local state. Now these are the three files. These are very important files. You need to back up these files. Let me copy these files, and you can put it on the Google Drive or the any other drive you want to backup. If you want to reset your PC, you can also get the backup in your D drive. Let me make a folder in a D drive and then name it sticky notes. Double click and let me paste these two files, plum.sqlite, plum.sqlite slm, shm, plum.squite wall. These three folders you need to copy. So these are the D drive you can see here. So let me delete the sticky notes from here now. Delete notes, delete. Let me delete this option as well. If I again click on sticky notes, now you can see there is no backup. So how to restore the sticky notes? Okay, so cut these options and navigate to the same file and folder. Okay, let me copy this and we can directly navigate through this. So these are the within the C drive. You can see here, this is the C drive location, but we want to go to the D drive. We have restore in a D drive. Let me press Window plus R button, then type a D and colon. So this is the D drive and this is the C drive. So these are the sticky notes you can see here. Let me copy all three, okay, and paste into the C drive. Let me paste here, replace. Yes, now we are good to go. Let me cut this. Let me cut this option as well. Now let me open the sticky notes. Older sticky notes should open now. These are loading. Now you can see test notes, and this is the folder and this is the file. We have successfully restored the sticky notes on our Windows. In the older Windows, you can also, you will be able to only see this option. Let me show you. In the older version of Windows, you can also only look for this folder plum.sqlite, and also only restore this file from here, and then your issue should fix. So this is how you can restore the sticky notes on your Windows. So hope this video is useful for you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching How to Fix Tech.